Okay. Hello everyone, my name is Owen and today we'll be presenting our analysis of various virtual machines. Our group consists of only me and Roderick right here. Alright, moving on. Okay, so to give you a bit of background, virtual machines are a software-based system that enables emulation of hardware and functionality of an actual computer. They allow the possibility of running multiple operating systems on a single physical machine. This means that we can directly control the resource utilization, system isolation, and also giving us more flexibility in managing diverse environments. With the use of virtualization technology, virtual machines prove to be valuable in providing a secure and scalable way to test out different software and applications. This makes them extremely useful in several IT infrastructure, development, and testing scenarios. For this report, we'll be analyzing three VM products, which are VirtualBox, VMware, and Microsoft Hyper-V. With this analysis, our aim is to identify each product's strength, limitation, and ideal use cases. The first one is VirtualBox. So, to give you a brief overview, VirtualBox is developed by Oracle. VirtualBox is a free open source virtualization software that allows running multiple operating systems on a single host machine. VirtualBox is available for various platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Solaris. This wide range of availability contributes to the versatility of VirtualBox and its popularity compared to other virtual machines enabler softwares. Here are the key features of VirtualBox. So it has cross-platform support, so it can be installed on various host systems. It has snapshot capability, meaning that it can save a virtual machine's current state which allows for reversion to a previous version. And then it also has guest addition, which means we can install various tools and drivers on guest systems to enhance their performance. And then it's also portable, so it has the feature to export and import virtual machines, which makes it easier to migrate environments across different host systems. And then finally, it's open source. Because it's open source, it has the benefit of community-driven patches. We can even implement our own independent changes if we want. That means we can add various third-party plugins and add-ons for expanded functionality. For more details, please check out the report attached to this video. Okay, so now I'll be showing you how to use VirtualBox.
Alright, so let's talk about the strength of VirtualBox. At first, it is cost-effective because one of the biggest advantages is that VirtualBox is completely free for both personal and enterprise use. This makes it accessible to students, hobbyists, and business alike. You don't need to worry about expensive licenses, which is especially appealing for those who are just getting started with virtualization or managing tight budgets. And second is ease of use, because another key strength is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some advanced virtualization platforms that can be overwhelming for beginners, VirtualBox is designed with simplicity in mind. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a student learning virtualization for the first time, the interface makes it easy to set up and manage virtual machines. Third, we have active community, because VirtualBox benefits from being open source, which fosters a large and active community. This community contributes tutorials, forums, and troubleshooting guides, which are invaluable resources for solving common issues. Even without official support, the community ensures you're never really on your own. At last, we have minimal hardware requirements because VirtualBox doesn't demand high-end hardware. This is especially beneficial if you're working on older machines or laptops with limited specifications. Compared to enterprise-grade solutions that often require powerful servers, VirtualBox can run effectively on modest setups. For instance, even if you have just a mid-tier processor and 8GB of RAM, you can still create and operate virtual machines comfortably. Alright, so let's move on to the limitation of VirtualBox. While VirtualBox offers impressive strengths, it's important to consider its limitations to understand where it might fall short, like performance concerns because one notable drawback is its performance in resource-intensive tasks. Like example, if you attempt to run multiple high-demand applications or games across several virtual machines, you're likely to encounter lag or reduced performance because VirtualBox is optimized for general use, but not for handling extreme workloads. And second, its limited enterprise features because VirtualBox is not an ideal solution for larger organizations that require advanced features. Like instance, it lacks robust security protocols such as complex networking configurations and detailed storage management. These features are essential for enterprise managing sensitive data or large-scale virtual infrastructures. And lastly, it supports limitations because VirtualBox is an open source because it doesn't come with dedicated support unless you invest in the Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. This pack includes additional features such as USB 3.0 support and PXE boost functionality, but it does come at extra cost. While the community support is helpful, it may not suffice for urgent or highly technical issues in enterprise environments. Alright, move on, we're gonna explain the use cases for VirtualBox after explaining its strengths and limitations. So at first, we can do development and testing because for software developers and testers, VirtualBox provides an isolated environment to run multiple operating system configurations because this is invaluable when testing applications across different platforms without needing separate physical devices. So let's imagine developing a program that needs to be tested on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. VirtualBox allows you to do all of this from a single machine, saving both time and hardware costs. And second, we can do the educations because in VirtualBox is a game changer because it's what we use to teach students about operating systems, visualizations, and IT concepts. Like example, a class on Linux commands might use VirtualBox to allow students to install and experiment with various Linux distributions in a controlled environment. The hands-on experience it provides enhances learning and builds practical skills. And lastly, we can do small-scale projects because for personal or small-scale projects, VirtualBox is an excellent tool. Whether you're setting up a home tab to learn networking or experimenting with a new software, VirtualBox offers a safe and reliable environment. Its minimal hardware requirements means you don't need to invest in expensive equipment to explore your ideas.
Okay, so now I'll be showing you how to use VirtualBox. Hello everyone, my name is Owen and today I'll be making a tutorial on how to set up a virtual machine using VirtualBox. So first of all, we gotta make sure that virtualization is on. So we go to Task Manager. Then we make sure, so go to Performance, go to CPU, and then you look at this, virtualization enabled. So we must make sure that this is enabled. Okay, so first of all, let's go to virtualbox.org and then we go to the download page. Choose the package depending on your OS. Mine is Windows, so let's use that. And now let's put it here. Save. Alright, let's wait for it to download first. Alright, let's just skip this part of the video. So now the download has already finished. Let's open it up. And here you can see the installer is already here. So we simply click on it. Yes. Okay. And now it will bring you up to this wizard. So we simply go next, accept the terms, next. And here you can choose which features you want to install. For now, I'll just install everything. And then here you can choose the location. If you want to change, just press the browse button. Next. Warning. Yeah. So when installing, the network feature will be temporarily down, so you can't use the internet. So let's go, and it will also say that there are missing dependencies, which you can just click yes to install the dependencies. Then just next install. Alright, so it will take a few minutes depending on your system. Let's wait a bit. Okay, let's wait. Alright, so it's done. So simply, let's go finish and open up the virtual machine. And here's the VirtualBox Manager. So as you can see now, it's quite empty. It's because we don't have the virtual OS set up. So now, how do we get virtual machines here? First, depending on which OS you want to use, you have to get the .iso file. So today I'll just be using Colibri OS because it's quite small, and it will already serve as a good demonstration for this virtual machine manager. So go to left CD image, English. Let's download. So put it on the same place, and now let's wait a little bit. Okay, so the download is done. Let's go to the file and then simply extract all, extract. Alright, let's wait a bit. Oh. Okay, wait, cancel. Let's go XX. Let's go here, go to virtual machines, refresh, there's ISO. Alright, so now we have this image file or the ISO file. We simply go to the VirtualBox Manager, click new, then we name our virtual machine. Let's name it just Colibri OS. And then we go into where we want to store this virtual machine. Let's just simply go to the same place. Let's go here, then here. Let's just go new folder, VMS for VirtualBox. We simply go inside the folder and select. So now it will be saved at this location. So now we go to we must select the ISO image. We simply go to the same place as before, where we download the Colibri OS.iso. We go here, and here you can see you can select the Colibri. Let's go there. Now we simply click finish, and it's done. So now our virtual machine is set up. You can go to the setting and hold on. You can go to the setting and change a few stuff if you want. Here you can change the system, you can change the display, you can even change the storage image, and etc. Okay, let's just click OK for now. Now let's start up the virtual machine. Alright, it's powering up. Okay, give it a second, and it is done. VirtualBox Oracle. Here you can see the OS is starting up, and we're done. So now there are a few options here. The first one is file, which you can change preferences, which is the setting that I said before. And then you have the machine tab, which can bring you to the setting. And then it can bring you to it can enable you to take snapshot, which will take a snapshot of your current machine. This is useful because sometimes you want to go back to a previous version. You can do that from here. Then you can also check the session information, as you can see here: CPU load, RAM usage, level rate, etc. Then we can, and then it also have file manager, show log, and if you want to pause the virtual machine, you can simply just click pause, and it will be paused. And if you want to reset, this reset is basically the same as restarting your computer. And then finally we have a CPI shutdown, which will shut down your virtual machine. And then if you go to the view, you can go full screen, you can go scale mode, you can go adjust. Basically, this just controls the view of this window. Then you can go to input, which currently I have keyboard on. You can change the setting here, and you can go to devices, which you can select optical drive, audio, etc., USB, etc. Alright. Oh yeah, from this USB part, you can actually access the USB that is currently connected to your PC. Yeah. So it basically the virtual machine and your original host PC will share the same USB. Alright. So okay, let's click on this and see. Because the controls is on my mouse. If we click on the virtual machine window, it will basically lock our mouse into this small window here. And if we want to, so yeah, we will see the capture. So now I'm moving this the mouse in here, and as you can see, we can't go out. So to release the mouse, we can simply just click right control. As you can see, we release the mouse. Alright, let's capture again. So now this is called OS. Let's click on a few things to prove that it works. It has web view, as you can see here. It has anti-image, which is paint basically, so you can draw here. Then and then you can even play games here. So basically, let's try, let's say clicks. Okay. See, so it does work. All right. Okay, yeah, that's about it. So to get out, you can simply turn off the virtual machine from the menu, like here, or right here, or you can simply release your mouse and then go to the machine and simply click a CPI shutdown, which will cancel. I see. Okay, so because during our installation we didn't put it as a guess, we can't use the CPI shutdown. And so instead, we can simply just go capture the mouse again. We go to menu, we can then shut down it manually, and voila, it does work. So what if we want to remove the virtual machine? It's very simple. Just right click, then remove. So here there will be an option to delete all files, or just remove the virtual machine. So we don't want to do that currently, so let's just click cancel. Alright, that's about it. Thank you.